BMW 3 Series, but not just your standard 3 Series. This is a 320 diesel M Sport 2019 with a genuine M Performance BMW styling kit. It looks incredible. And then it's got the genuine, not aftermarket, it's not the cheap version, genuine BMW 20-inch diamond cut wheels, and it's got the tech pack, so the spec is phenomenal. It's done 25,000 miles. It is beautiful. LED headlights, that beautiful grille, which has all been done in gloss black, and then you've got this full M Performance front splitter in black. The wheels completely transform the look of the car. 20-inch diamond cut, beautiful condition, and then you get the full skirts. We've got sun protection. The roof has been done vinylly in black as well, just to add to that sporty look. You've then got a carbon rear spoiler, and you've got then the big rear performance diffuser on the back. What a great looking car. The tech pack gives it the key ingredients: heads-up display, Harman Kardon, keyless charging, the gesture control, all the things that people want when they're buying the latest middle BMW car. Now, Alpine white. Moving on inside, again, full black leather, beautiful M Sport leather, Harman Kardon. You've got the ambient lighting, so on the door cards there you'll see it flashing. And then you've got this beautiful digital interior, M Sport steering wheel, keyless start. And you can see all the beautiful ambient lighting running through here. Again, the big one, so you've got your heads-up display, and then you've got all the up-to-date BMW iDrive system, so you can change station like that. You can change the volume. So that gesture control, it's all part of the tech pack, which is fabulous. You've got your automatic gearbox with your paddle shifts, unbelievable on fuel, unbelievable performance, heated seats. You've got keyless charging in there as well, and you've got all the different driving modes. So it's as up to date as you can get, really. Still under BMW warranty, but the car, it's how it looks for me. It's how it looks. It just looks, with that M Performance kit and the bits are black and the way it's been done, it looks superb. Your extra speakers in the back, rear digital climate control for the rear passengers. But someone will just see this and they'll think, God, look at that car, because it's got the kit, it's got the wheels, and it's got the look. Look at this carbon spoiler. But, you know, sometimes you get them where they've been done cheaply. Look at this, it's all been done to a high standard. Beautiful LED rear lights, great boot space. You've got sensors front and back, and you've got a reversing camera. All D-chrome, just a fabulous looking car. You can see them beautiful LED headlights now as well. It's hitting the website now. Ring me, get it reserved.